Now you're going for a swim.
You can see everything that you need to see right there. Oh, you're standing on my foot, dear.
I can't see.
You can too.
Ow, that's my toe.
Ow, that's my toe.
Alright, you're in the water.
Do some roll around.
Get your body wet.
Yeah. Do some handstands.
I don't do handstands, silly.
He bounced it. Now he's doing something. Look at him.
I'm just waiting for that other line to come over here. I'm running out and tackling him. Or her.
He's trying to poke a hole in it. He's like trying to poke a hole in it.
It's like he's just trying to swim.
He can't swim in a shallow end.
What are you doing?
What are you doing, Lion? Is that a lion or a tiger?
It's a line.
What are you doing, Lion? Hi, Lion.
It looks like she's trying to get all that water out of there.
He's trying to swim.
Get the ball.
Well, honey, you're not going to get anything out of this.
You're not making any progress.
Take the picture already.
What are you talking about? I'm videoing. See, look, you're on my video right now. Oh my goodness, close up. There's Mama. And Brianna. And Juan.
You said one.
I know what I said.
You said one.
One is gone. I know. One.
Juan es John in Mexico.
J-O-H-N.
Where's your buddy at? Where'd the other line go? What are you doing? What are you doing? Get that ball. Get that ball.
Volleyball.
As soon as I turn the camera off, it's going to like tackle it or something. Are you trying to swim?
Yes, he is.
What are you doing, girl?
Move on.